the constitution has to be amended to see that voting is done by all the clubs in Goa to elect the executive committee. Availability of government grounds. Goa Football Association organizes roughly 1,100 official matches in 8 leagues, right from under 14, under 16, under 18, under 20 to 3rd division, 2nd division, 1st division, professional league, and this year also women league we want to introduce. So to organize these matches, there is a huge problem about availability of grounds. Now what has happened? Earlier there were grounds, there were fields, a lot of players got developed through that process. Government, under the pretext of development of grounds, have taken over the grounds, and the grounds are not freely available. Clubs must get the government developed grounds in their respective villages free of cost. Most of the grants are delayed, and one case is of non-payment of grants to the tune of 10 lakhs pertaining to Lusophonia games. As the main body or involved in the regulation and development of football, affiliated directly to the federation, is not given the proper importance and neither the role. We are competent. We have organized large number of competitions in the past. Why only these competitions we have been kept out? That is a question that has been raised.